Hakajing persang ban Sngewthuh ba ki brio ki batuna ki khot met ki don ya laga jong kasap ki kamile kai sports ba kumjuru ban kintiu yaki hakinu kinu ki benta ko office trekam ka commissioner for persons with disabilities CPWD haringkat ka jinge trelang bat karang the Jet United Football Club Sports Development Society nalor ka Bethany Society bat ka State Resource Center on Disabilities Affairs SRCDA hagasien ka baningkong hagajing rakhi ka International Day of Person with Disabilities kala pelong ya ka blind football tournament ka ba arsengi ka balas dang ka khatkhandai trek unai bieng arajar psau bat ka bala penkot menta ka sngi ka arpho trek unai bieng arajar psau hagasngi penkot ya ka ni ka lempung lawan banidan bentalang do ba Donald Phillips walang Chief Secretary ka Sarkar Jilla Kumukongsan haringkat ka jinge don lang ba Dylan's aim Planning Officer ka SRCDA ka Kong Sidi Lingwa MCS Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ki Head Officer Sarkar na lor kiwe hakani ka sngi ka jinge khun kalalong hapdeng ka Rang the Jet United FC persha ka Meghalaya Blind Football Team hakaba ka Meghalaya Blind Football Team kalara ekanam ladu ka pendram ka Rang the Jet United FC dan riu ko lalai laban ong hangni bakila bandai ki bomla banyo I ndai ki don ka bor Sngewthuh pat kani ka long kum ka sakhi naga jingshim bentau Chief Secretary ubala shim benta ban shoot penalty da ka top khamat ka ba ukhlem la pat ban thap ya ka ball chagol
Players who are here participated in that penalty shootout. All the special guests, without naming anyone this morning. Thank you so much for inviting us to be part of this function. We are very happy to be here this morning to be part of the proceedings. In fact, I was just telling my colleagues, it's really very challenging to go through this whole process because we always talk from the outside. Today, for the first time, I felt that I was inside that ecosystem. When I was blindfolded, and all of us, in fact, concurred with that. It's so challenging. So, like what Kong Bertha had mentioned, a football academy in Kerala is really far-fetched. 3,000 kilometers away from here. Why should they suffer and go all the way there when we could barely take 3 steps? In fact. Forget about 3,000 kilometers. So we wait for your proposal, and I'm sure that once it comes to the government, we'll be out there to support in our capacity, different capacities. I'm sure something will fructify very soon. I would like to take this opportunity also of thanking all of you this morning, especially those who are in this field. It's very, very challenging, I can see it, and I would like to congratulate the football players despite the challenge that they have, but they're living life to the fullest. It's very encouraging. I can feel it was very, very difficult for me, so I'm sure that it's difficult for them too, but it's the mindset which is important. I can assure you only one thing, we are all here to support all of you in whatever endeavors you take up. And I'm sure that by working together, we'll ensure that we'll give a better life to each and every one of them. Thank you, Kong Bertha. I still have to say Sister Bertha because she's like my elder sister. In fact, we grew up in the same neighborhood many decades back, and as soon as I said that it's me who's here, and I was very excited. As much as I was excited to see her, that was more than 35, 40 years back when we grew up together in Jayao. I'm sure, Kung Batak, we are there to support you. We are supporting your organization and the association which is there also. We are there with you, and I'm sure that we will work together and we will walk together.
Photo session with both teams, and request all the officers and also our chief guest.
Jersey number 9, Jebel Bang. Jersey number 2,
Clinton D. Prakash D.
Hakajing ikran badubak di lensiem ulong badak ka bapelong ya kani ka lempung kapeni bawat la kilong ki baduna ka bor Ïohi handai kilek kai pat kum ki brio ki Ïohi na lor kata ulong ru balada la ban sapriang ya kani ka jing ilek ka shaki we pat ke district kan long kum kalat ai kam ai jam ki
ni nak office jungi commissioner for person disabilities naga sarkar Meghalaya ni kwa bagandan ka awareness namata ki pajba kibun kibri beran jigdunat khatmet kibun ki skills ki jongki let's say ni ken sting chapang ka disability tamangi tip ka jela ke jungi ngidan kumba saw hajar ngut ki persons with disabilities but ngi kwa bagandan ka awareness na menta ka imlang salang bagi minla banirap ni snok tilang nungba kani ka jing yalang ka jungi ka barit ni peni ba ki don ki players ki ba bam Ïohi ki ba matla tamai ki le kai kum le kai ki briu ki ba Ïohi but nungba ka jing peni ki ars ni mi don da ka jing rap na dong jong ka rang legit development society united ni yo ban ya trailang bat ki but kiwe ki kan honru Bethany society ka state resource center disability affairs limba ka jingirap jongka bat ka jingkirshan jo social welfare department ni yo ban pin isha ba nila man le kani de ka sin ning tong ka sarkar kami sarkar jila ka kale kom kani te lese ngi ndani bingila ban pen sapriang ya kani ka jingel kai shakiwe pat ki district shaki nong kendong ngin iba kala ban long ka career ne kata ka jing penyok kam ya ki kena ki jongi ki petebit ne ki pat tip bagi tebit ru kin yo kata ka jing irap ban ya chakmat kani ru kolong ka jing rakhi jong ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities arjar apsau ka ba rakhi borok keleng ka perthai te ya kani ngibu ka kerteng ka Empower Fest 2.0 kani ka jing rakhi jong International Day of Persons with Disabilities kelas dang nado por ka don ka United Nations ki don kata ka United Nations Convention for the Rights of Persons with Disabilities tangba kani ka Empower Fest ni sedang nado sedam balalek arjar arpulai but ngiyo ban penlong ya kani ban penrakhi ban penisha kita ki jing tebit namba bon ki te kani ngila sedang nanu benai August ngila pet ka arts ngila pet ka livelihood ngila pet ru ya ka education but nenta ka de sports but haka lai trik pat ngindon kata ka jing rakhi jong kani ka sni ki don southly ki team ki bishim benta kawai ka de ka rangdajit football club kawai de ka SRCDA Frontliners Football Club kawai ka de ka football club awan nado like so but kawai ka de ki ni ki Meghalaya Blind Football Club
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoi ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya